Hey everyone, today we're testing Roborock's newest product, the Saros 10R Robot Vacuum Cleaner, which was launched in 2025. Saros 10R is loaded with advanced features, including a suction power of 20,000 pascals, a slim body height of just 8 centimeters, a retractable side brush and cloth, and a turbo brush designed to prevent tangling with hair and wool. It also includes a new navigation system and an enhanced station. Given the numerous updates, we should test this robot to determine whether it genuinely signifies a breakthrough in the robot vacuum market. The robot is circular in shape and features a sleek black design, drawing inspiration from the astronomical term Saros, which denotes the cycle of solar and lunar eclipses. A remarkable characteristic of Saros 10R is its height, which measures a mere 7.98 centimeters. This was accomplished by rethinking the navigation system. The robot employs the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, which consists of sensors and cameras in place of traditional LiDAR. The system comprises an object recognition feature with front bumper lighting, side cameras for dust collector self-cleaning, and an active camera for remote home surveillance. There is a concealed water tank in the robot that gets filled automatically at the station. The 3-beam side brush is retractable and extends into corners for improved debris collection, automatically rising when driving onto carpets or during floor washing. The central brush, akin to the one in the Roborock Cravo Curve, is made to stop hair and wool from becoming entangled. Additionally, the Saros 10R is equipped with 2 round cloths that rotate for wet cleaning, one of which reaches the baseboard. The robot can automatically lift the clothes and even take off the holders at the dry cleaning station. When the Adapt Lift technology detects high obstacles or medium pile carpets, it elevates the body to navigate thresholds as high as 4 centimeters. The station has also experienced considerable changes. It now boasts a glossy design and provides self-cleaning of the dust collector, hot water washing of napkins, warm air drying, and automatic detergent mixing. There is also a quick charge feature at the station, which allows for a complete charging cycle in 2.5 hours. With regard to performance, the Saros 10R demonstrates excellence in navigation, room cleaning, and obstacle avoidance. It has a battery life of 122 minutes at maximum power and can clean areas under furniture that are as low as 8 centimeters, covering up to 88 square meters. The object recognition system performs well under good lighting conditions, but it has some difficulties in complete darkness. Although the suction power is remarkable, it still encounters some aerodynamic losses, which are typical for robot vacuums. The robot excels in both dry and wet cleaning, thanks to its retractable side brush and cloth that provide thorough cleaning along corners and baseboards. The station's self-cleaning and napkin washing features work very well due to the application of hot water and warm air drying. The automatic lifting of the side brush on carpets can be a disadvantage, as it results in narrow spaces close to walls being left unclean. So, Saros 10R is a very competent and cutting-edge robot vacuum. With its advanced navigation, powerful suction, and efficient self-cleaning station, it stands out as top contender in the market. Saros 10R comes highly recommended for anyone in search of dependable, high-performance robot vacuum. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new robot? Write your opinion in comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.